Today we're going to make a comfort country casserole. What's great about this casserole is it is easy. It takes less than 10 minutes to put together. It's budget friendly. It's going to feed an army, and it is a family favorite from where I come from. We start this recipe by adding our ground beef and onion to a bowl. You also are going to add some cheddar cheese. And this recipe is a fun one because it's pretty much a dump and run. Now I'm going to add the hash browns to the bowl, and this is about 24 ounces of hash browns. So I'm not going to use this whole bag. Next up, I've got a mixed frozen vegetable package. I'm going to dump the whole package there, and then we're going to cream it up with some cream of mushroom soup. We're going to add that into the mixture. Next, we're going to add a can of cream of chicken soup right on top of that cream of mushroom soup. This is one of the most delicious casseroles you'll ever taste. On top of that cream of chicken, we're going to add 1 cup of sour cream. And we're going to mix all of these ingredients very, very well. We're going to keep mixing and mixing until all of those soups and sour cream have a nice consistency all over the bowl. Next, we're going to prepare our baking dish. We're going to give it a good spray and grease. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. And we're going to take our mixture in our bowl and just dump it in our 9x13 baking dish. And it is a super easy dump and run recipe, just like I had said earlier. We're going to get it all out of the bowl here. We're going to try to even it out, spread it out in the baking dish very, very even. And there we go. We're going to push it to the corners and make sure that it looks pretty even there. We're going to get ready to top it off with some cheese in a moment here. We've got some extra cheddar cheese we're going to garnish the top with. And there we go. We're going to sprinkle that into the corners. We're going to get that as even as we can. And then just to level it up one level, we're going to add some French fried onions to the top. And oh man, does that ever make it look delicious. Has a nice crunch, a nice texture to it. So we're going to get ready and cover this pan with tin foil, and we are going to cover it very tightly. We're going to place it in the oven for 45 minutes. Yep. All right, hey friends, here's our comfy country casserole out of the oven. We let it sit for a little bit so it can kind of set up, but let's dive in here and take a nice bite to test her out. Oh, look at that. Full stacked hamburger, cheese, hash browns, veggies, onions on top. I mean, my goodness. We got everything in the pantry in this one. Let's see how she tastes here. Now, this is a favorite from where I come from, so I already know how it tastes, but it tastes so, so good. Oh, yeah. I always say it's the hash browns that one up this one. It is perfect. So creamy, so delicious. Very hearty. This one is budget friendly. It's going to feed a crowd, and it was so easy to throw together. Thanks for watching, and guess what? I'll see you in the next one. Bye.